lucky winner. Welcome back to another video. This will be a very short video, as this video is just to announce our 4 lucky winner for my channel 1000 subscriber target. Before we get started, please do consider to subscribe my channel, give me a thumb and share my video. If you like the content I do, I will give away more on my next target 5000 subscribers. I'm planning to give away some expensive, some rarest console that a bit difficult to get outside of China on my 5000 subscriber hit target, such as Digital version 2 and other rare console, or maybe some special one. I had created 2 posts on my channel community, so let's have a look these 2 posts from my channel community. This is the one I let you to choose the color you like for those metal cell case. I will give away total 4, 2 from RK2020 and 2 more from OGA Black Edition. So means that we will choose the top 2 choice from these 2 posts. For RK2020, the most 2 color is white and gray, and for OGA BE Audio Go Advanced Black Edition is purple and green. This 4 metal cell case is the chosen one for those 4 lucky winners. To make it fair for all of our subscribers, because I know that some may don't have RK, or some may don't have OGA Black Edition, but I can't do anything. Okay, so to make it fair, I write down RKG is RK2020 gray color, OGG is Audio Go green, Audio Go purple, RK white color. So now let's choose the first metal cell case. This is number 1, number 2, number 3, number 4. Let's open and see first metal cell case is which metal cell case. So the first one is our RK gray color. The second one is our RK white color. Our third one is Audio Go purple color. So let's change. And the last one is our Audio Go green color. So means that our first winner will get our RK2020 gray color, followed by white color, purple color for Audio Go Advanced Black Edition, and green color for Audio Go Advanced BE. Now let's move to our PC, and we'll use command picker to choose the first lucky winner. Our first lucky winner for RK2020 is GIO Joe. Congratulations! So please do contact me through our Facebook page or our Instagram, because we need to verify your account and get your shipping details. Second lucky winner for RK2020 white color is Ben Lee. Congratulations! Our third lucky winner for this gorgeous purple color Audio Go Advance B Black Edition metal cell case is Max Flows. Congratulations! Our lucky winner for Audio Go Advance Black Edition green color is Gabriel Kila. Congratulations! Please do remember to contact us through our Facebook or Instagram. This is our last giveaway, but not least, because this is only the first 1,000 giveaway. So please help us to grow. We will give away more on our 5,000 subscriber hit. Please do leave us any comment. I would like to know more. What content do you like me to do? Okay, today our video will end here. So see you on next video. Bye bye.